Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. If you are new and you are into DIY projects and anything home related, cooking, cleaning, organizing, hauls, try-ons, fashion reviews, modest fashion, then please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell below so you never miss an upload. Well, today I'm participating in the DIY and Decor challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy, and her channel is linked below. Please go ahead and check it out once you're done watching this video. She has a great channel, and you can also check out the other participants in this challenge. That playlist is linked below. So I'm just going to be transitioning my spring summer decor, which is right here on my mantle. I mainly focus on my mantle in this room, but I'll be sharing some other areas, transitioning from spring summer into the fall season. And this year I'm focusing on the color yellow. That is my main color, and I'll be using this color scheme to decorate for the fall. So if you're interested in what I'm going to do behind me, then please keep watching. Now that this area is clear of all the decor, I find that it definitely needs a refresh. But this is actually a very light gray color that's on all the walls in here. But I'm doing something a little bit different because I don't have the gray paint, and I thought, why not just continue the white paint straight up to the ceiling? So I'm just going to use this plain old ultra pure white interior flat paint and paint this little section right here with white. And that's going to be the backdrop. If it doesn't look good, oh well, just paint it over. But I'm gonna try this now. I'm just gonna add that white paint right there, and we'll see how it looks. I love it. I think this gives it just the perfect bright background for any decor, and this is the area that I decorate the most when it comes to any season. So I think this is gonna look good. The first thing that I'm adding to the mantle is this sunburst mirror that I made in a recent DIY, and the video is linked below as well as in the cards above. Next, I'm just changing out the pink tulips, and I'm adding these yellow sunflowers. This is a pumpkin that I made in of my fall decor video from last year. I'll link that below. This sign here I purchased at TJ Maxx. This one here came from TJ Maxx as well, and I'm going to put one on each side. This is a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted it last year, and I updated it this year with the turquoise color to go with my new color scheme. And to the top of the sign there, I'm going to add this little decorative piece. I'm going to add these pumpkins here. I painted these last year, and I just repainted them this year to, again, change the color scheme. And same story with this pumpkin here. I'm using the same cross that I had in my spring and summer decor. This is from Burlington. I got this from the Goodwill for $2. I just really like the shape of this vase. It had that twisty, turny look, and I'm just adding these gold sticks that I already had from a while ago. I'm just gonna put those in there. Next, I'm adding this piece of decor that I created in a previous video. That video is linked below, and I'm just gonna put that right here in the middle. Next, I'm adding these glitter pine cones that I had taken apart from another wreath. I'm adding another piece of this. Next, I'm gonna add these yellow florals. And then I'm gonna bring back in some of the teal turquoise florals. And then I'm gonna add these birds back in. And then for the area right down here, I'm just gonna put these greenery pieces there. These came from Marshall's, and I think green still looks great for the fall, so I'm just gonna put these down here, especially since we're not ready to use the fireplace just yet. And then I added some pixie lights to the love sign. Cleaning, organizing, cooking, modest fashion, hauls, anything like that, then you will probably... I did it enough. It's good.